Hello and welcome back, everybody. I'm happy to be here. I choose courage over fear, and just to be clear, I'm curious, and that's how I'm creationist. That is my company creed, and I try to remind myself of that every time I am on set. In this video, I'm gonna break down the little things that help me on every set. Like seriously, when I don't have these, I feel a little naked. Number one is curiosity and open-mindedness. You see, it's not just physical objects that make a big impact on set. Being open to a client or a colleague can produce ideas that inspire, that'll create a chain reaction that may make the product have something that could have been missing. You've got to have the curiosity to really explore more and see what's possible. Heading to number two is gaff tape. I've got small, medium, and large. I can't tell you a time I didn't wish I had a little bit of this stuff on set. From holding down lapels, covering wires, or even just plain rigging shit. Although this stuff isn't meant to leave adhesive, some brands aren't as forgiving, so I'll leave an option down below. Number three is competence. Knowing your tools inside and out makes everybody feel more comfortable. Just make sure you're not talking over anyone's head. There are tons of resources online. I mean, hell, I learned most of the stuff I know on YouTube. I'm sure you know this, but make sure to put in the time as well. I think I learned as quickly as I did because I would sit there with my camera in hand and I would pause the video just so I could go through and make sure I am following it exactly as they are. I'm the type of person that will build the whole set at home to a smaller scale, just so I can kind of get an idea of what problems are kind of gonna arise. Now, this is not foolproof, but I think it gives me a good idea and I can trust my judgment for any other problems that come my way. Number four is extension cords. One of the worst things that can happen on set is to not have power. And some lights like my Godox SL60s don't have a battery option. So I'm pretty much stuck with what's there. Now, hopefully you've already been to your set and you kind of have an idea of where the outlets are at, but sometimes you don't always have that luxury. And also, you might not want the shot that's close to the wall outlet. You're going to need this, like pack it every single set. I've got two. I've got one that's a 30 foot, it only holds one, and then I've got one that's about 15 feet and it holds three. Always have options. Number five is confidence. I would say that competence plays a big role when it comes to confidence. Unless you're going through analysis paralysis. In that case, it may help to slow things down, maybe take a little breather, or maybe some water. Think fast, but act slowly. Know that the hours that you put in have got you to where you are, and a little more confidence will get you where you're going. Trust yourself and your vision. Don't let anyone take that away from you. You were hired for a job because you're an expert at what you do. Number six is sandbags. Look, safety first. No one wants to get hurt and no one wants a lawsuit. Think of it as a little workout. It's a way to make sure that everything goes a little more smoothly and safely. You can buy a 6-pack from Amazon for around $20, $30 plus some sand. I mean, heck, that's the cheapest insurance policy I've ever seen. Also, do what I wish I did and put your sand in a bag before you put it inside of your bag. Otherwise, you're just gonna have sand everywhere. Number seven is setting clear expectations. With your confidence and competence, you'll be able to create a to-do list for the team and for your talent. Set realistic goals and how to reach them. Think about what questions people may have and already have the answers for them. Leave out ambiguity and talk in layman's terms. And I used ambiguity. Ambiguity, the quality of being open to more than one interpretation in exactness. Number eight is counterweights. They are like sandbags, but way more expensive. They are handy though, and they're pretty much needed if you're extending anything out. If you've got the extra budget, I bet you'll always bring these on set. Number nine is duct clamps, and some of these uses can be done with gaff tape, but these are actually great for holding down wires, especially along poles or really along any surface to kind of keep it look tight and professional. I also use these for holding backdrops and reflectors. Now, you don't really need the super strong ones, but it doesn't hurt to have a couple in your bag. Number 10 is positivity. And this, by far, is what makes a set go the most smoothly. No one likes a negative Nelly. No one likes a negative Nelly. No one likes a negative Nelly. Be persistent but patient with the team and the talent. Reassure the talent that they're getting better and let them know when they're doing great. Appreciate every little moment a person does right and they'll remember it. Be nice and positive to save so much more time. You don't have to make everyone happy. Just let them know that you're not going to give up and that they'll get it. The talent needs this the most.
Cloudy. And up next.
So I recently started watching a pottery showdown series with Bree, and you can start to notice who the winner will be by the way they talk to themselves. And yeah, I know you think talking to yourself may be crazy, but I believe it's a sign of intelligence. Having and knowing the tools around you is very important. That's why this one is the most important. Give me that popcorn.
Hey.
She don't even eat this stuff. She just did it for the soliloquy. Soliloquy. An act of speaking one's thoughts aloud when by oneself or regardless of any hearers, especially by a character in a play. I want to take the time to appreciate everyone for watching and coming along for the ride. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see next. You're awesome, and I believe in you.